Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this video because something new involving clean beauty has just launched in Dubai, and that is the Aspire Beauty Fresh Start Kits. AspireBeautyCo.com is an online clean beauty store, and now you can get a taste of what clean beauty actually is with their Fresh Start Kits. If you're not familiar with clean beauty products include ingredients ethically sourced and are made with the health of our bodies and the environment in mind. Before we jump into this Fresh Start Kit and see what's inside, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and you hit that notification bell, because when you do, you'll be one of the first people to know whenever I release a new video. So just to point out that this Fresh Start Kit comes in a sustainable, reusable bag, and I know exactly what I'm going to use this for, and I'll show you at the end of the video. Okay, let's see what's inside. As I'm going into this bag, I just want to point out that this bag contains 5 carefully curated beauty and lifestyle clean products, and it costs 95 dirhams. If you like anything that's inside of it, you can then buy it from the Aspire Beauty online store. So first up, we have this Venom Mask from Living Nature. And I'm going to use this a little bit later. Of course, I have so much makeup on, but I just kind of want to take a peek and see what it's like. And then I'll put it back into the bag and I'll use it hopefully tonight. Oh, it smells amazing. The fragrance in it is from natural essential oils, and it has almost a lemony scent to it. I use these types of masks 2 different ways. Sometimes I like to use them at night, just when I'm taking a bath or, doing just a little relaxation. But also sometimes I use them in the morning, especially if I'm going out somewhere and I just want my skin to look as amazing as it possibly can. I'll use these before I put on my makeup. All right, so I'm gonna try to keep this as nice as possible because I do want to use this later, but I also want to show you what it's like. And I love the way it smells. I'm putting this on the back of my hands just to get that little bit of extra serum. Next up, we have in our kit something that I know a lot of women want to try. I have seen this all over Instagram lately and on the Big Beauty Scoop on Facebook, and this is the Space Mask. If you're not familiar with this mask, this is a self-heating eye mask. And you know what? I would love to use this right now because I have my false lashes on and my eyes are starting to feel a bit heavy. I'm gonna try this one out now because I just can't wait. So because I have my serum all over my hands, I'm going to have to cut this open because my hands are a bit slippery. It says on the back of it that within a couple minutes, you'll unfold your mask, place it over your eyes, and fit the loops around your ears. Okay, I do have makeup on and I shouldn't do this, but I also just really wanna try this out. Okay. Now this is warm and oh, it feels amazing. I can see how this would just totally relax me and make me have some real zen moments in my life. If you are a mom or a busy working woman or both, whatever you do, trust me, you will love this. I feel like I'm at a spa. All right, woo! This is a great product. I can't believe this came in the kit. All right, I have to say I love the Space Mask. That is so cool. Now, moving on, we have the Body Boom Coffee Scrub, and this is perfect for exfoliation. I've used this before and I love it. It smells incredible. They do come in different scents. This one is the original. It smells like coffee. I am actually going to do a tutorial on how I like to put on my self tanner. As you can see right now, I have none on. I naturally have just very fair skin. So I'm going to use this in that tutorial. So if you want to see how this product is, make sure you look out for that because I will show you exactly how to use this and how it exfoliates. But this is a beautiful, beautiful product. Okay, next up we have a makeup brush. And this is a great brush. This is by Spectrum. I like the angle because this makes it really easy to do a smoky eye. If you put some dark shadow in the outer corner of your eye, and then you can just, because it has this angle, it's easy to just move the eyeshadow pigment out to really smoke out your eye. So this is something I definitely will get tons of use out of. And lots of times these types of brushes are around 70 to 90 dirhams on their own. So the fact that they're in this kit that costs 95 dirhams total is pretty amazing. The last product in this kit is this pretty pink nail polish. This is by a company called Spa Ritual, and this shade will look good on anybody. I always find that these pale shades look amazing on tanned skin. They just really make the polish pop out. It also looks really pretty on fair skin like mine. You can't go wrong with a pale pink polish. So thank you for that. The bags also contain vouchers. Now this is 100 dirhams off. I have 2 of them for any Raya spa treatments at the new retreat by Sofitel. I actually was at the retreat a few days ago. I went to a full moon meditation there. If you follow me on Instagram, maybe you saw that on my Insta stories. And I did look up the prices for this spa, and they're actually so reasonable. So with 100 dirhams off on top of that, it's a no-brainer. You have to go. The last gift card is for 1010 Avenue Beauty Lounge, and it's a 50% off. So it's pretty good, and it's located in Business Bay. So this is the Aspire Fresh Start Kit. I think it's incredible. The products inside are so good. There's no disappointments. I feel like this is just such a great concept, and I am so excited to see what else they're going to come out with. For 95 dirhams, this is unbelievably worth the price. Now, I said in the beginning that I would show you how I would reuse this bag, and this is actually the first thing I thought of when I saw this bag. How many of us have clutches? I mean, this is Dubai. We're always going out, we're always doing things, and some of our bags come with dust bags, some don't. So this is a perfect way to just store your bag. And also, if you're traveling and you want to bring one of your purses with you, but you don't want to just throw it in your suitcase, use this bag and your purse will stay completely safe and clean. Another thing I would use this bag for is just my shoes. I have tons of shoes that I still keep in their shoe boxes. All my designer ones always stay in the box, but sometimes if I'm traveling, doing a quick getaway or just something, and it's not really feasible for me to bring my shoes in the box, I can easily just put my shoes into this bag and travel with them. So there you go. And that's just such an easy way to use the bag and to keep using the bag. And I love that it just fits in with their whole clean beauty concept. So I personally have to say I am just so impressed with Aspire Beauty, and I love what came in this kit. If you have any questions, check out their website, aspirebeautyco.com. I will link that down below. And you can see what brands they carry. Trust me, there's a lot. I did look at the site, and see if maybe the Fresh Start Kit is something you want to try out for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you soon. Bye-bye.